Hello, namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Leo. Leo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Leo people, in this reading I'm going to see your partner's energies towards you. Wow. Your energies towards them, your mutual energy and the future potential of this relationship. Let's start the reading for Leo. Okay. So we have the Sun, Nine of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, okay, the Devil, Queen of Wands, Knight of Swords, the Judgment, Four of Wands. Okay, great. So Leo, these are your partner's energies towards you. These are your energies towards your partner. This is the mutual energy and this is going to be the future potential. Now let's start the reading for Leo. Now let's see what are your partner's energies towards you. So we have Page of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles and the Sun. Okay. So Leo, your partner feels about you that you are somebody who is always ready to take certain action, or maybe you are somebody who wants to start something new in terms of your career, finance or goals. Okay, in terms of your new job, new business, or you want to start some new setup or startup or some business or some business unit, or maybe you want to change your job, or maybe you want to start a new job. So they feel that you are somebody who wants to start something new in terms of your financial thing. Okay, plus Leo, your person also feels about you that you comes from a family which supports you financially. Okay, you are independent, you are self-sufficient, you are somebody who has a strong back. Okay, of I mean, you have a strong support from your family in terms of finances, but still you want to start something new on your own. You want to start a new business on your own. Maybe you want to stand for yourself. Okay, maybe you want to achieve your own goals towards your career. Okay, towards your finances. And plus, with this Sun card, I feel, Leo, that your person feels about you that you are somebody who brings happiness into their life. Okay, you bring joy into their life. You are the source of happiness for them. You are lucky charm for them basically. So they see you as somebody who is the only person who can bring happiness into my life. They see you as someone who is the only source of happiness for them. Okay, with the Sun card, so they believe in you, they rely on you, they dependent on you. They are very much in love with you, or I won't say love, they genuinely care about you. They have genuine emotions for you with this Sun card. Okay, now let's see what are your emotions, what are your energies towards them. So we have the Devil, Queen of Wands and Knight of Swords. Okay, so Leo, you feel that your person is kind of very obsessed about something in life. Okay, maybe it is their obsession towards you, because as I said, they see you as their ultimate source of happiness with this Sun card. So you feel that your person is relying on you. As I said, your person relies on you. Okay, you feel that your person is kind of very obsessed with you. Okay, yes, you feel that they are obsessed with you. I mean, they have a lot of obsession towards you. Okay, plus you also feel about them with this Queen of Wands and Knight of Swords, that that they are very energetic towards something, okay, even though they have a lot of obsession towards you, Leo, but you feel that your person is being very calm at this point of time. I mean, they show themselves as they are very calm, okay, they are not taking any action, okay, but eventually in their heart and in their mind they are working rigorously about something, or rigorously towards something. Maybe they want you badly, okay, they project themselves as they are least, okay, concerned about you, okay, they project themselves as someone who wants to take action towards you, but they are just projecting themselves that, okay, I am not going to say anything to you, okay, I am not going to propose you, or I am not going to take any action or any uh, step towards you. It's, if you want to talk, then you can come to me. If you want to propose to me, then you can come to me, but please don't expect me that I am coming, that I want to offer you something. But that's not the case. uh, that's totally opposite. They are dying to meet you, they are dying to offer you something, they are dying to start something new with you in this relationship, okay. They are just projecting themselves that they don't care, but they actually care about you. And yeah, in their heart and mind they just want to come towards you like this way. I mean, they don't want to waste a single minute, okay. So yeah, you know that they are obsessed with you, you know that they want to offer you, they want to talk to you, they want to take certain action towards this relationship. Maybe they want to start something new in this relationship, but they are projecting themselves, it's okay if you don't want me, I also don't want you. So that's the energy which is they are showing to you. Okay, so mutual energy is the judgment. I feel both of you need to introspect your own thoughts, okay? Because as your person is, very obsessed towards you, you are also obsessed with your money thing. Both of you need to introspect your own thoughts. What exactly you want in life? What is your highest purpose? Where would you like to take this relationship in coming time? Okay, where would you see yourself in this relationship with your person? So I feel that both of you need to talk to each other, both of you need to open your heart in front of each other, both of you need to introspect your own thoughts towards this relationship and towards this person, okay. Only then you will be able to find some peace, find some happiness. And I'm seeing something big news is coming. Okay, I see that. I'm seeing that if you guys are going to, open your heart in front of your partner, okay, if this is going to be the heart to heart conversation, then definitely this conversation will lead you to Four of Wands. Some marriage thing is happening for both of you in future. Okay, I'm seeing some celebration, some marriage or some wedding function is going to take place in this relationship. Okay, this card is for manifestation card. This is 1111 card. So whatever you have manifested about your person, or your person has manifested about you, that thing is going to happen. That thing is that your manifestation is going to take a shape in front of your eyes. So some celebration is going to take place for both of you if you guys are willing to open your heart in front of your partner. Both of you need to introspect your thoughts, okay. Okay, so Leo people, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Earth sign with this Page of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles. Okay, some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Four of Wands, Queen of Wands. Some of you could be dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Knight of Swords. Okay, and we have Capricorn as well in this reading, so some of you could be dealing with Capricorn as well with this Devil card. So yes, okay, so that was the reading for my dear Leo viewers. Leo viewers, if any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.